Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to talk about the Napoleon Prestige 500 series barbecue that I've picked up. So this one is a natural gas grill, and this particular model is the RSIB. So they have two models. It's a 500 series, so that's your firebox, and then the RSIB is the rear and side infrared burners. So what does the RSIB come with? It comes with the rear burner, the rotisserie burner, and the side burner, the searing burner, and it also comes with the rotisserie. So for the difference in price, I just thought it was cheaper because I was going to buy the rotisserie anyway, so I thought it'd be better just to move up to the next level. So there's actually a lot to talk about with this barbecue. I'm going to try to get through all of it because it's a really nice barbecue and I really like it. I love the company. They're based here in Canada. I'm not sure if this whole barbecue is made in Canada, but as you go up the higher levels, the more things are made in-house. So this one, let's see, so it's got 8,000 BTUs total. It's got 6 burners and 900 square inches of cooking area. All right, so we're going to get up close and personal with some of the features on this. And the first thing we're going to talk about is the ignition system. When you turn your burner on, you just turn this on and it lights up. And if you want to know when it's running, it's red. You can turn your lights on here, so you can see this one is on because it's red, and these ones are off because they're blue. But if you want to turn it on, and then you can see the flames inside. Okay. Alright, so the ignition system on this is a battery-free ignition system. And then it has what they call a jet flame. So once you have one burner lit, it actually has a little guide for the propane or the natural gas to go through in the back, and it will help to light up the other burners. So if for whatever reason it doesn't light up the first time, one of the other burners will light it up for you, and it won't wait until you hear the big boom like some of the other barbecues when the big gas build up, because it's got a little rail in the back, and that promotes the gas to run along the rail and ignite the flame to run along the little rail and ignite the other burners. So very, very cool technology. Super simple too. Here's your side burner, and they call this the sizzle zone. All right, so you can do a couple of things with this. You open the top for it. You can lift this up. Okay, this is an upgraded burner. It comes with, this is the upgraded stainless steel. These are 7.5 millimeter solid stainless steel, by the way. And it comes with a cast iron one for the side burner. You could lift it up to sear your steaks, or you can leave it low and put a pot on it. And we quite often boil corn to go with our steaks, in the fall. And what an amazing dinner that is. This guy on here, see, it's got the little flame thing on there. So we'll move you back over here. So this, turn that on, okay, and then you have to press the igniter on that. You see these in the big buddy heaters and the little buddy heaters, the ceramic element heating, and that's really, really nice. The rear burner, the rotisserie burner, you can put that on. Once again, the rotisserie burner has its own knob, and it has a symbol for the back there. But you have to use the igniter on that one. So we'll turn it on, hit the igniter. This one is a lot louder. So these grates are 7.5 millimeters. And how can you tell somebody's in Canada when they talk about metric and imperial in the same sentence and switch back and forth really quickly? So you have these flavorizer bars, and these flavorizer bars are very thick compared to most as well. So the burners come pre-assembled, and look how big the holes are on that. And here's that flame guide that I was telling you about. Here's the flame guide back here. So if it doesn't ignite the other burner, the gas will run along here and ignite the next burner over. this barbecue. I love this barbecue. So we turn it on. Not only are the holes large, but it's a very thick metal. So most of the time your burners are really thin and chintzy, and these ones are super thick, and it comes with a cleaner. You can clean out all these holes, and if the holes become blocked, it comes with a little drill and you drill them out so that they last a good long time. Okay. So when I clean the barbecue, I take all this stuff out, I scrape it down. I'll use like one of these paint scrapers or a drywall knife, whatever you want to call them, and I'll scrape down the inside of the firebox, and then I'll just use my shop vac and vacuum it all out, clean the grease tray, and it's super easy. And then the outside you kind of wash and go. I used a degreaser on this today, so it looks really good. So it comes on casters, but mine's in the dirt so it doesn't roll around. It has a folding shelf just on the one side, so you can just pick it up and fold it, and that can save a little bit of room on your patio. I don't have mine on the patio, so I leave mine up all the time, and it locks in place. It's very sturdy. It has two doors that open. There's places to hang your tools. My barbecue, unfortunately, is on an angle right now. The couple of the accessories that I bought to go with this was the smoker box. I bought one. I might buy another one and have two. And I also bought the rotisserie basket. And you can do chicken wings in that basket. You can do potatoes. You can do any of your veggies and stuff. It's really cool. All right, so what else is there to tell you about this? Well, they claim that you can do 30 burgers on this, and you probably could. Your main firebox here has 4 burners, and they have 48,000 BTU rating divided by the 4, and that is 500 square inches of cooking area. And then you have the warming rack on top. That's 260 square inches of cooking area. And then the rear burner here, that is 18,000 BTU, okay? And then your side burner is 14,000 BTU, and it has 140 square inches of cooking area, okay? So that covers all that. So, yeah, it's a fairly large barbecue. Like, you can have a reasonable sized party and pull it off with this barbecue. This is really a nice size. The natural gas line for this is thick. It's thicker than most barbecues. This is a 1/2 inch line, so it can take a lot of natural gas. So yeah, lots of power available for you, let's say. Do I like this barbecue? Yes. Do I recommend this barbecue? Yes. I've got a friend that has the Prestige Pro, which is an even higher level than this, and it has the best of everything. The grates are twice as thick. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Cool barbecue, but it's a lot more money. And, realistically, I could spend that money elsewhere, so I've done that. But if you had the money, the Prestige Pro, definitely the way to go. Absolutely. I would love one. So if Napoleon, if you want to send me a Prestige Pro, I'd be really happy. I'd do a nice review. Oh yeah, I have an unboxing video for this one, and I have an assembly video, which reminds me, to get this to your house, this thing, you can buy it pre-assembled, or you can assemble it yourself and save $150, which is what I did, and I made the video for you. So the packaging length is 38 inches, it's 31 inches tall, and it's 31 inches wide, it's 31.5 inches tall, and it's 214 pounds, so it's one heavy beast, okay? So yeah, you're gonna want 2 people to put this together. Like, you can put most of it together with one person, but then you've got to set the top on, and that takes 2 people, and you've got to pull it out of your vehicle, and you can do it creatively by yourself, but you'll need 2 people to load it up. I would suggest 2 people to unload it. Go ahead.
Switched a little.
I'm sure that's fine. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it's a little charred, but look at
A
that.
little chart at the bottom, but that looks really good.
Just gotta play with the temperatures and the
The
timing.
thickness of the pizza.
Look at that. That's a nice looking piece of pizza.
I would say.
The churring might even be done me.
It might be good.
You can hear it crack.
Can you?
Yeah. Hey, wait a second.
It's snapping. Popcorn.
That's it. It's a good looking steak.
Right.
The chips might be a bit too wet.
That's what it says in the instructions. Put them on like that.
Yep.
Really?
Kind of put them here so they catch fire.
Nice.
And when they catch fire, I'll turn this down to low.
What's on the top?
Oh, I will also take that into the
What is it? There's some veggies. I love that veggie basket. There's the burner in the back. The infrared burner.
I didn't even take it out because it won't come off the roll. Okay, we just doing the big stuff.
I think those veggies are well done.
Yeah. I think you're right. Probably I should have tightened the wings. But it's my first time put a chicken on a spit, so
So you think,
I
like,
think that
put the things around the
probably I
wings?
should have tied them closer.
You can tie them with the string.
Yep.
Want to do that?
I don't know. I feel like they're just gonna come off.
Or they might.
Alrighty, this is like about an hour in. Some nice drippings coming off. Smells delightful. Yeah, go chicken.
So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content like this and other DIY stuff around the house, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.